Okay. Yeah, we do. I'm not listening to 'em. You don't want to be a YouTube sensation? Yeah, I know you hit that TV again. Both of y'all gonna be. We're gonna put some on YouTube they weren't expecting to see.
Okay, see what you got here.